So there, at it again. Yes, Amazon. I brought you a brand new Fire TV Stick HD, newest gen. They're labeling it up to be amazing. Upgrade your TV instantly. Please don't. Don't fall for it. It's a brand new HD. It's a joke. It's another joke. They put their operating system on it again. They've made it smaller. Who cares? It's behind your TV. No one cares it's smaller. It says it's great, powered by the TV. Effortless setup. No, not at all. Right, we're going to go into that. It's going to be a quick video. I'm just making sure you do not. It release is on Thursday or Wednesday, the 29th of April. Do not buy it. And I'll tell you why. First thing, make sure you hit that follow button if you're new here and into your streaming. Check out some of my other videos on Fire Sticks and streaming devices you should buy. So, the new Fire TV Stick HD is being launched with the Vega OS, okay? It's not Android operating system. And let's make it really simple. If it's not Android, it can't run Android apps. A bit like when they released the Fire TV Select. Everyone keeps asking, is there any fix yet to be able to put Downloader on it? Or such and such Android app? There will never be a fix for it. These apps are Android. That device is not Android. It's like trying to put an Android app on a Windows PC. Ideally, you kind of can if you use an emulator, but if you know what I say, it's like trying to put an Android app on an iPhone. Doesn't happen, okay? So, this is the same thing. This Fire TV Stick HD, it's nice and skinny. Doesn't matter, it's behind it. Powered by your TV. I don't know if they mean you can plug in the power cable from your TV. That's a bit misleading because that's one of their biggest issues that people do. Plug the power cable in from the TV, and it doesn't have enough power, gets stuck in a boot loop. Apart from that, it's very similar. Same layout, same screen, user interface. It will advertise all of its major apps. But the big warning sign to look out for when you're buying a Fire Stick is this here. This little section here. And what it says, for enhanced security, for you guys, for security, this device prevents side-loading or installing apps from unknown sources. Only apps from the Fire TV Amazon App Store are available for download. Search the available apps here. If you were to look on a different app, like the Fire TV Stick 4K Plus or the 4K Max Gen 2, which I would recommend, this is the Fire Stick I would recommend using, the best one, that warning is not here. So the warning here, okay, that warning, which is on the new version here, that warning is not on this one. And what that means is if you see one with that error message on it, just do not buy it. I'm not going to go too much more into it apart from don't buy it. It's simple. Most people, if you're looking at buying a new streaming device now, you get a 4K Max. It's still a good price. We've got other devices coming. We've got Buzz TV review coming this week. Nvidia Shields are still good. Android boxes are good, but they have got new rules coming themselves very, very soon. Not as strong as Fire TVs at the minute, which wouldn't be surprised if Fire TV reverts some of theirs slightly to match what Android are doing. But stay away from these Fire Sticks, which are run by Vega OS. Simple as that. Brilliant. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.